Wellness Wednesday on Fox 54 News, sponsored by Regenesis.
Syphilis cases are on the rise. It's a sexually transmitted disease, which the CDC says the number of babies now born with syphilis is 10 times more compared to about 10 years ago. Our Jasmine Bird shares on this Wellness Wednesday testing and treatment might have prevented this.
We have known about syphilis for a very long time. It's a very old infectious disease caused by a bacteria.
It is also very treatable.
It's curable if you catch it early and you treat it early with a penicillin antibiotic.
Syphilis spreads by sexual intercourse, and UAB Associate Professor Dr. Jody Dion says one key thing doctors want everyone to know is
this is one of those infections that most people do not know they have. Is that if you don't recognize that a woman who's pregnant is infected, it very easily passes through the placenta, and then the outcomes for the baby can be really, really severe. Short term, long term, there's issues with how the baby grows, bone growth, even vision changes, and things that we always want to try to avoid.
ADPH District Medical Officer Dr. Wes Stubblefield agrees and says this disease can affect anyone.
Syphilis is a sexually transmitted infection that can infect anyone having sex by any method, whether that's any type of sex, oral, vaginal, anal, anything like that. You can't get it by things like doorknobs or toilet seats or things like that.
Dr. Dion says it can appear as a sore at the site where the germ got into the body.
But that sore is usually in a place that you can't see very well, and it's painless, so you often don't know that it's there.
And screening is critical for all women multiple times during pregnancy and at delivery.
To make sure that we prevent syphilis from transferring to the newborn. That's what all this messaging has been about. The syphilis can essentially be prevented in the newborn if the mothers are treated effectively. And so that's what we need to be thinking about, is making sure we're screening our mothers in first and third trimester and again at delivery.
In Huntsville, Jasmine Bird, Fox 54 News.